Hello guys, how to fix if your iPhone news app not working properly? If you are facing such issue that news app on your iPhone not working properly, then here are the fixes. Unlock your iPhone first and tap on settings of your iPhone, and here scroll down and tap on general settings, and here scroll down and tap on language and region. Make sure that you have set as a preferred and language. Correct region and language should be set on your iPhone. The next workaround to fix this issue is again tap on settings of your iPhone, and here scroll down and go to control center, screen time, and here look for content and privacy restriction. Tap on it, and here go to allowed apps and features, and make sure that news app duly checked and allowed apps under no any restriction imposed on your news app, and check whether your news app working or not. If not, go to the next fixes and hard reset to your iPhone. Simply restart your iPhone and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, the one more fixes you must apply. Again tap on settings of your iPhone and scroll down, tap on general and tap on software update. Sometimes outdated iOS may be a cause of some apps not working properly, so you must update your iOS with latest